embossing folders, you're probably like me. You have so many of them, you can't remember which ones you have, and you maybe have even purchased a duplicate or two. There's easy ways to organize your embossing folders. The first way that I'm going to recommend to you is to actually create a catalog of all the embossing folders that you've got. So this is a catalog of rubbings of all of the embossing folders that I have. So I can see exactly what they look like. I just did the rubbing with a crayon on, divided up a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. And then each one of my embossing folders has a number, and the number that's written on that embossing folder takes me to my embossing folder boxes with the numbers on them, so I can find exactly the embossing folder that I want to work with. It's quick, it's easy. I just used one of our little shut your flap tabs to tag each of the embossing folders, so it's easy to pull the embossing folder in and out, and see the number, and then put it right back when I'm done using it exactly where it goes. So a really simple, efficient way to catalog and organize your embossing folder.